Emerging technologies in 2023 like blockchain, IoT, and generative AI have created new complications to legal and privacy requirements. International regulations like GDPR, Privacy Shield, India's DPDP, HIPAA, etc. have mandated organizations to modify data handling procedures and protect personal data privacy rights in cross-border data transfers. Blockchain, smart contracts, and decentralized applications are great, but they raise global enforcement issues. How are disputes resolved? Can accountability be attributed? Which country's court has jurisdiction to prosecute? Cross-border blockchain financial transactions and need compliance with local laws and regulations. Fraud monitoring activities could compromise an identity as data is shared across intelligence agencies, financial watchdogs, and more. The biggest privacy concerns for IoT today is non-consensual and continuous data collection, like location tracking, sensor data. Even with consent, opaque data sharing agreements between global entities restrict the visibility into data usage. Generative AI is autonomous content generation, which is its key functionality. The issues like ownership, plagiarism, non-repudiation, training dataset accuracy arise. AI's ability to create deepfakes is well known. It has potentially devastating consequences for diplomatic ties and international relations, industrial supply chains, fake news, and more. AI's critical and ethical decision-making ability is affected by flawed training datasets in autonomous applications such as self-driving vehicles, predictive analysis, and more. Now let's see some solutions to these domains. In blockchain, we urgently need consent-based smart contract workflows, a global regulatory standard, international cooperation for data minimization, deployment of security controls for fraud monitoring, and a global interoperability platform so that any data that's on the blockchain always remains secure and the data privacy is maintained. With IoT, designing devices with privacy-first mentality will help establish global frameworks, regulations, and laws. User education is critical in outlining how this data is used. Perform stringent audits and impose fines if the data management mechanisms are missing. Generative AI, prompt-based AI-generated content needs copyright protection laws and mechanisms, usage and licensing agreements. If such content causes harm or incites violence, then laws must allow for accountability, enforcement, and prosecution. People must be educated on their data usage and legal rights. Processes must include laws, regulations, and frameworks to legally and operationally prevent information misuse. Quick process deployment for a business and easy data management for the end user. Technology must be used for detection and deterrence of data misuse.